shit! Is that a shit box?
Yeah. 7 Mac 11s, about 8 38s, 9 9s, 10 Mac 10s. The shits never end. You can't touch my riches, even if you had MC Hammer and them 3
grand. I'd get it one piece at a time, and it wouldn't cost me a dime. You'll know it's me when I come through your town. I'm gonna ride around in style, I'm gonna drive everybody wild, 'cause I'll have the only one there is around. So the very next day when I punched in with my big lunchbox and with help from my friend, I left that day with a lunchbox full of gear. I've never considered myself a thief, but GM wouldn't miss just one little piece, especially if I strung it out over several years. The first day I got me a fuel pump, and the next day I got me an engine and a trunk. Then I got me a transmission and all the chrome. The little things I could get in my big lunchbox, like nuts and bolts and all 4 shocks, but the big stuff we snuck out my buddy's mobile home.
Let's go. Rolls Royce truck, that's tough. You see the star when you look up. Bad bitch and she got blood up. Huncho in the back cooking up. That's tough. 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 But guessing the emeralds that shining together, that's tough. Spaghetti.
Think it's a game.
Daddy, 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 daddy.
Everybody says money can't buy happiness, but it can buy me a boat, it can buy me a truck to pull it, it can buy me a Yeti 110 house down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it can buy me a boat.
That's what the 4x4 is for. That's what the 4x4 is for. That's what the 4x4 is for. That's what the 4x4 is for.
So you got a truck, hell, it's even got a hitch. You keep it on the blacktop thinking that's your hot stuff. Take it off in a ditch, and then you get stuck. It ain't fun no more. You gotta know where to turn, one day you'll learn. That's what the 4x4 is for. That's what the 4x4 is for. Son, that's what the 4x4 is for. Ever since they've been a slapping the nail, yeah, stickers up on the side, them good old boys been feeling.
Yo, bro, do you know that song that goes like, I see the crystal raindrops fall, and the beauty of it all is when the sun comes shining through.
To make those rainbows in my mind when I think of you sometime, and I want to spend some time with you, just the two of us.
Getting born in the state of Mississippi. Papa was a copper and her mama was a hippie. In Alabama, she was swinging a hammer. Price you gotta pay when you break the panorama. She never knew that there was anything more than Paul. What in the world does your company take me for? Black bandana, sweet Louisiana, robbing on a bank in the state of Indiana. She's a runner, rebel and a stunner, on the merry way saying, baby, what you gonna? Looking down the barrel of a hot.
I'm an island boy, I'm just trying to make it. And I'm an island boy, I'ma keep it like an island boy. I'ma keep it like an island boy. I'ma keep it like it's Wagwan. But you better really keep that gun. I'ma keep it like I'm up in the sun. I've been really at your food.
I know everybody says money can't buy happiness, but it can buy me a boat. It can buy me a truck to pull it. It can buy me a Yeti 110 house down with some silver bullets. Yeah, and I know what they say, money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so.
Hold up, hold up. Hold up, hey, woman.
When I pull up in the whip, they be saying goddamn. When I hop out with my shawty, they be saying goddamn. They never show me love, now they see I got bands, now they saying goddamn. When I pull up in the whip, they be saying goddamn. When I hop out with my shawty, they be saying goddamn. They never show me love, now they see I got bands, now they saying goddamn. Goddamn. They hating, I guess I gave them a reason. Feel like Roddy Ricch, cause I've been ballin' every season. Got them 24s with 14 inches wide. Hop up in my rack up, catch a vibe. Cause you know that.
No, go on the water.